So, hi everyone. My name is Abby, and I'm going to teach you how to draw a flower. A rose. It could be a flower or a rose. So you dip your brush with your thick brush like this. And it's not going to be angle brush like this. It's going to be a straight brush. You dip it in water, then you take out the water from it just a little bit. Then you put in any color you guys want. Then lay it. Then you put two little lines. First, if you want to do two little lines, the top of the line has to be white. I'll show you like this. So you see like the light one on top. That's how it's supposed to be. Then you do a bridge. You swing, then you do it like that. You swing, then you do it like that. And then you take the angle brush. You do the same thing that you did with the other one. And then you do it. And if you want to do the angle brush with it, you have to do like on the top, on the angle, you have to do the lighter color. So you lay it, then you go there. You lay it, then you go there. Then you take it again. If you don't have enough paint, you could just redo it. Next,
use the end of the brush.
Use the end of the brush, and you could do like these things however you want. But then you take this brush. You do it with the other brushes that you did. Then you take the green. Then you do like the leaves. You do it like this for laying down, then the other side. Then, if you want, you can do a stem, just like this. And you can attach little tiny leaves. And that's how you do a rose. Okay, and I just forgot what I have to do. Oh my goodness. You add the letter here, and you cannot use this on top of the paint because it's really wet. You rub it only around the rose. You can put it anywhere you want. I'm just putting it here because I want to. If you want to be a lot of glitter, you don't need to take more. You will need to buy more. You could just spread it around. And if you want, you could put it on the right side or the left side. I'm doing the left side and the right side for you guys who know how to do it on both sides. Then you get a glitter, just like a little bit. And this glitter is special because this glitter you could put on paint. So you could put it anywhere you want. You could put it. Thank you so much for looking how to draw a rose, and I'll see you the next time I film. Bye.